morning once again, ladies and gents. Today the weather's not looking great, so I've decided to do a bit of indoor exercise. I've come up with something today that bring the creativity out in doing exercise at home. Give you a few ideas and concepts of what you can utilize around the home, get that blood pumping, get the heart beating, get into shape. I've got a couple of bottles of spices. I am hoping that these do not open out on the, or spill out onto the floor, because it would be a disaster. Right, first exercise, here we go. 10 press-ups. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold it for 10. Alright, so second exercise is working this part over here. I'm going to be holding here for 10, dropping down for 10, holding up for 10, dropping down for 10 again. Working all this lower part of the glutes and the back. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dropping down for 10, holding it there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up for 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, you can feel that burning a little bit now. Third exercise, we've got the 2 containers lined up over here, one on either side, and I'm going to be doing one leg squats for either leg. Picking up the container on each side and letting it go when I go down. Picking it up, letting it go. All right, here we go. Make sure you got a good balance, because this is very important for your leg, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do one more set on each leg, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, okay, here we go. 10 reps, just touching the top of the container and feet on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can hold it there. Don't lean on the jar for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Second variation is lifting this container up, placing it back down on the floor with my feet. I'm gonna do 10 reps. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel those abs working. Come on, yeah. The fifth and final exercise, I'm going to be working the triceps, shoulders, and the core. It's just a simple press-up position, taking off the bottles or the containers and putting them back on top of each other. Remember to keep this part of the body straight, firm, tough, and no looseness. I'll do 2 variations of the exercise, one simple, another one more advanced. Okay, let's start with the simple one. Only touching. 1, 2, the top of each container. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okie dokie, the more advanced variation of this exercise. is I'm going to be removing the container off of each pile, okay? Again, keep that core strong, keep those arms straight. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here's a bonus for those of you hardcore people that want to try and do a bit more and push the limits. 1. Whew. Right, one more bonus for you guys. I'm putting 4 jars in a diamond shape. I'm going to be swinging through, touching the front, touching the back with 2 legs, all right? This is working mainly the arms. Okay, here we go. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, woo! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, ladies and gents, this is the spice jar exercise variation at home. I hope you enjoyed that. Make use of all these hardcore containers at home. For now, ladies and gents, keep exercising, keep that blood flowing, keep the heart pumping, smiling, because every day is a good day and you gotta remember that you only live once. If you have a healthy body, you have a healthy mind, and a healthy attitude to everything. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and click that notification bell. Spice up your life.